Hello everyone. This video is about the layout that we can have in an online meeting. The host is responsible for choosing the most appropriate layout according to the purposes of this online meeting. On the right here in the black bar, we can see the three different layouts that the platform provides. The first one is the one that we see here, the sharing layout. Now, the main purpose of the sharing layout is to present something to the partners. So by sharing our screen, we present something that we have on our screen, or we share a document which is could be a presentation, for instance, or we share the whiteboard. Now, the next layout is called discussion, and the main purpose is for the partners to discuss. So when the partners want, for instance, the project partners want to introduce each other, the pupils want to meet their new partners, their new friends, we use this discussion layout because the main part of this layout is taken by the webcams. So here we can have the one class and then the other class, and they start talking to each other and they see each other. Of course, very important is to have some discussion notes. So maybe if the partners are teachers who discuss a project, plan a project, they can write their notes here and they can write their decisions here and then export the decisions. They have the chat room, of course, where they can comment or ask questions. And there is also a poll pod here because during a discussion we can include a poll so that we can have some feedback or so that the partners can make a joint decision. So this is the discussion layout, and the third layout is the collaboration layout. So here the main part of the screen is the whiteboard where the partners can write something or they can draw and create something. Of course, there is a files pod here where we have files that the partners can upload and then download so that they can share their files. The chat room, of course, and they have the notes again, because again, the notes are a place where they can collaborate. And for example, we can have a poem written by the partners during an online event or a short story. Now, if a host is experienced enough and he or she believes that they're not satisfied with these three layouts, then here at the bottom we can see that there is a cross that means add layout. So somebody can create a new layout and adjust it to the purposes of each meeting. So here we can have the name, so maybe we can have the name of the project. So if we click on OK, we see that there is a blank layout, and then by going to the pods, we can add any of the pods that we need in order to satisfy the needs of our meeting. Of course, the various pods that are added can be adjusted, can be maximized or minimized according to what we need. We can add more pads, the one next to the other. Again, we can make all the arrangements that we want, and when we are ready, we can start our meeting with that new layout. If we are not happy with the new layout, we can always delete it. Okay, and so we can go back to the layouts already existing in the platform. Thank you very much.